Hello fellow AI art enthusiasts, my name is Thayane and in this video, we shall be looking at 100 more sref codes. This time from the range 3200 to 3299. Before we get to that, let's take a quick look at what's been happening with Midjourney lately. There aren't any new additions to the image models, but Midjourney announced a revamp to their documentation website. There seems to be a new look to it and also a new AI-powered chatbot. I took it out for a quick spin and found out it seems to be strictly limited to the documentation provided in the docs website. Nothing else, really. It would have been cool if it had included some of the things that have been discussed in the different Discord channels. The documentation does not include nearly as much all kinds of information about prompting and prompt crafting as the treasure trove in Discord does. But understandably, there could be some privacy issues with that information. Midjourney's still working on V7, with the big feature being omni-reference, letting you bring in specific images like logos or characters and actually use them in generations. No release date yet, and if it takes too long, some features might roll into V6 instead. AI video from Midjourney is moving faster than expected. It went from probably not this year to very likely, with a few different approaches being tested. Nothing concrete yet, but it's getting closer. They're also still exploring real-time 3D, better batch generation, and workspace improvements. Plus, there's mention of some kind of hardware projects. One wearable, one large scale, but no real details on those yet. That's about it for now. Let me know what you think, and let's take a look at the sref styles now. 3200. Muted nostalgic realism. 3201. Vintage elegant fashion. 3202. Vibrant painted impressionism. 3203. Swirling earthy abstract. 3204. Warm collaged textural. 3205. Muted monochrome sketch. 3206. Grey-washed atmospheric painted. 3207. Red-black collaged textural. 3208. Muted dramatic photorealistic. 3209. Red-black graphic stylized. 3210. Yellow-green retro landscape. 3211. Textured mythical line work. 3212. Pink aqua dreamlike pastel. 3213. Childlike vibrant digital. 3214. Blue yellow forest textured. 3215. Dark romantic dramatic. 3216. Monochrome floral illustrative. 3217. Yellow-green scenic brushwork. 3218. Purple-blue dramatic cinematic. 3219. Warm cinematic dreamlike. 3220. Aqua minimalist illustrative. 3221. Red-black haunting painterly. 3222. Cartoon cel-shaded, adventurous. 3223. Golden ethereal dreamlike. 3224. Orange-pink, surreal modern. 3225. Soft atmospheric illustrated. 3226. Golden renaissance romantic. 3227. Abstract textured conceptual. 3228. Dark dramatic painterly. 3229. Vibrant historical illustrated. 3230. Teal orange surreal whimsical. 3231. Ethereal colorful expressive. 3232. Nostalgic delicate illustrative. 3233. Neon urban futuristic. 3234. Warm glowing introspective. 3235, detailed lush illustrated. 3236, flowing abstract organic. 3237, fantasy realism intense. 3238, vibrant energetic psychedelic. 3239, vintage gothic melancholic. 3240, bold vibrant graphic. 3241, dreamlike ethereal sparse. 3242, sketchy analytical conceptual. 3243, organic flowing abstract. 3244, fiery intense character driven. 3245, minimalist atmospheric quiet. 3246, luminous mystical enchanting. 3247, gritty urban raw. 3248, ethereal regal serene. 3249, bright cheerful nature inspired. 3250, ornate vibrant decorative. 3251, tense action-packed atmospheric. 3252, dark creepy whimsical. 3253, minimalist modern cinematic. 3254, dreamlike floral gentle. 3255, surreal geometric architectural. 3256, simplistic symbolic geometric. 3257, scenic dreamlike picturesque. 3258, vibrant playful character driven. 3259, cinematic atmospheric serene. 3260, mystical dynamic illuminated. 3261, stark geometric futuristic. 3262, nostalgic contemporary illustrated. 3263, ornate vibrant fantastical. 3264, ornate fashion inspired detailed. 3265, romantic nature infused delicate. 3266, graphic avant-garde experimental. 3267, Asian inspired scenic heroic. 3268, intense fiery energetic. 3269, enchanting gentle childlike. 3270, ethereal minimal dreamlike. 3271, vibrant whimsical radiant. 3272, dramatic adventurous colorful. 3273, vibrant fantasy steampunk. 3274, abstract textured expressive. 3275, introspective, noir dramatic. 3276, heroic adventure vibrant. 3277, colorful storybook enchanting. 3278, textured haunting mystical. 3279, bold adventurous energetic. 3280, ornate regal traditional. 3281, desolate haunting foreboding. 3282, mystical nocturnal enchanting. 3283, graceful serene romantic. 3284, textured poetic eerie. 3285, vibrant heroic adventurous. 3286, whimsical youthful expressive. 3287, atmospheric reflective, quiet. 3288, intense eerie symbolic. 3289, colorful surreal dreamlike. 3290, neon gothic otherworldly. 3291, Nostalgic Adventurous Illustrative. 3292. Radiant Spiritual Ethereal. 3293. Autumnal Imaginative Picturesque. 3294. Monochromatic Dreamlike Conceptual. 3295. Dynamic Illustrative Imaginative. 3296. Luminous Impressionistic Ethereal. 3297. Atmospheric Expressive Bold. 3298. Ornate Baroque Textural. 3299. Surreal Conceptual Symbolic. Alright, that's it for this set of images. Last week, I experimented with some extra prompts for characters, but this time, I went for something a bit more unusual, stuff you don't see too often. Some worked really well, some not so much. But there were definitely some interesting results and cool styles to discover along the way. If you want to see all of these extra images, I've put them into a prompt PDF, available for my patrons over on Patreon. It's a great way to support the channel and also lets you see my videos a bit earlier and ad-free. So, a huge thanks to all my patrons. And of course, if that's not your thing, you can always subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and let's continue prompting.